Today, we're looking at a high utility use case for tire companies, the 24/7 tire service agent. We're going to deconstruct exactly how an agent takes a complex retail transaction and turns it into a zero friction experience. To understand why this agent is so effective, you have to look at how broken the manual process currently is. Tire sales are notoriously high friction. It's a mix of technical specs, inventory math, and calendar Tetris. A customer usually waits on hold, talks to an associate who's flipping through fitment guides, and eventually gets quoted a price, often from memory. It's 15 minutes of human labor for one transaction, and that is the before state. It's a massive bottleneck for growth. Enter the agent. This isn't just a chatbot that answers FAQs. This is a specialized worker. It lives on SMS and web chat, and its sole job is to move a user from curious to booked by behaving like an expert service advisor who never sleeps. What's interesting is how it wakes up. It's triggered by intent, like a text asking for a quote, or by data, like a service reminder based on a car's actual mileage. It doesn't wait for the customer to find them. It reaches out when the data says it's time. Let's look at the step-by-step. So first, it identifies the vehicle. Then it asks qualifying questions like, what's your budget? What are your driving conditions? What's your urgency? It's not just searching, it's consulting. It then queries live inventory and closes the loop by booking the bay, all in one flow. One of the biggest wins we see in the wild with agents is the concept of translation. Most customers don't know what speed rating 5 on a tire actually means. The agent translates that technical jargon into plain language value, telling the customer why a tire is the best fit for their specific needs. How does it actually work? It's the plumbing. The agent is headless, meaning it sits between the CRM, the live inventory, ERP, and the shop's scheduling software. It's the connective tissue that makes these old systems talk to each other in real time. And the data doesn't lie. When you deploy an agent here, handle time drops by 80%. We're seeing transactions that used to take 15 minutes of human payroll time getting solved in under 3 minutes by AI agents. And here's where it gets crazy, is the scalability. So during the winter tire rush, shops usually have to hire temporary staff or just lose the business due to busy signals. An agent handles 500 customers as easily as it handles 5, and it scales without adding headcount. When we compare the two, the winner is clear. We go from a fragmented 15-minute phone call to a structured 3-minute text interaction. The business gets a clean data record, and the customer gets their Saturday back. That's the tire agent in the wild, a perfect example of AI doing the boring work so humans don't have to. I'm curious to get your thoughts. Where else could this identify, qualify, book logic be applied? Let me know in the comments. I'm Connor O'Malley, and this is Agents in the Wild.